Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, we are going to do this delicious, crispy, hot bites. They are made of cauliflower and broccoli. So let's get to it. And guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comment. Let's get to the recipe. Alright, so first we mix our tomato paste and our soy sauce. I like to leave this ready just to grab it because I'm always on the run, on the go when I'm cooking. So what I use my hands first to separate the cauliflower florets and the broccoli. Then for the bigger pieces, I just use a knife. Alright, so after making our veggies into bite size, we're going to mix um, all our all our spices for our crispy mix. So that is the consistency that we're looking, thick but still liquid. So we can dip our veggies inside and it will come out like this, ready to fry. I use coconut oil to do my frying part. You can use any type of oil that you prefer. I put my veggie bites one by one so they don't stick together, and then I cover it with a lid, flip it over, cover it with a lid again, and they're ready for the final step, which is the sauce. They are delicious just as you see them there. I just ate the first batch, I couldn't resist, but we're gonna do the sauce. Now let me tell you the secret about a sauce. To make it spicy, I add the two chilies, dried chilies, to a third cup of water and I let it boil. So the water is the one that it's spicy. It is a great taste. I add a little bit of sugar, just a pinch. You can add honey or agave, and then throw your bites in there. You'll just mix it for a couple of minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, until they're covered in the sauce and they are ready to be served. These are so good, babe. I get to look at them. Mm. Man, I'm eating it without the sauce. They're delicious.